Hi students, this is Sharanya, mathematics teacher of pre-primary compartment. In this, I am going to share a few points on importance of doing your homework. We are in the pandemic situation of COVID-19, so all the educational institutions are get closed. No one can know when the situation is going to be changed. So the first thing is we want to save ourselves. Keep on wash your hands regularly and take more healthy food which will improve your immunity. Whatever the situation may be, we can't stop our learning because education is very important. So our management is taking more effort to bring your education through online and offline classes. Kindly make use of all this opportunity. Students can utilize all the sessions which will uploaded in our school app. Same time, don't give more burden to your parent also. Watch the videos 3 or more times and listen carefully. After that, each video will attach the homework also. Each and everything should be explained briefly by all the teachers, which makes to do your homework easily. After finishing, kindly upload your homework in our school app. Then only it easy for our correction work. Those who are uploading the homework regularly, they are awarded by certificate, and also we are planned to provide 5 marks as internal for each subject those who are uploading regularly. I hope hereafter all the one good upload your homework regularly. Thank you children.
Children, it's a time for appreciation those students who are uploading the homework regularly. Let me first appreciate the students from grade 2A. Arnanjehan, Jaishant, Kritik Vaibhav, Shubhash, Joy Andrea, Krisha and Rajapriya. Well done children and keep going. Clap yourself. Students from grade 2B, Kaushik Shravan, Danish Muhammad, Prajin, Sairam, Uday Shantos, Lakshana Sri, Mritika, Kavinaya, Shafri Nisha, Muhammad Hamis and Nikhil Saivail. Well done children. Clap yourself. Now it's the time to appreciate grade 2C children. Guru Vishnu, Santosh Kumar, Siddesh Ranveer, Tarifa Begum, Subiksha Sri, Kishore, Lishwan, Mohammad Jahin, Mohammad Afif and Nitin Hari. Well done children. Clap yourself. Students from grade 2D, Mithun Charan, Deshwa, Dedesh Guru, Venkat Raghavan, Danishka, Danush, Nikita, Subiksha and Gogul. Well done children. Clap yourself. We are expecting the same from other students also. Kindly do cooperate children. The next session onwards, ma'am is going to give more stars and more smileys those who are uploading the homework on time. We are expecting the 100% uploading of homework. Next, we move on to the note content.
Let's we move on to our topic. Before going to start our session, now we are going to do an interesting activity. Kindly follow my instruction. If I tell 0, you have to do the silence clap. If I tell 1, you have to clap 1. If I say 2, you have to clap 2 times. If I tell 3, how many times you want to clap? Yes, 3 times. If I tell 4, you have to clap 4 times. If I tell 5, you have to clap 5 times. Let's be play children. You all ready? Yes. 2, 4, 1, 0, 5, 1, 4. Super children. Those who did correctly, kindly clap yourselves. Thank you.
Children, in the last session, we have completed 5 filling the blanks. In this session also, we are going to continue the filling the blanks from 6 to 10. Before start writing, I have give some instruction how you want to write the note content. You must use only pencil. Okay children, if you did any mistake, kindly don't be overwrite. Erase it neatly and write it again. Your note should be very neat. Don't scribble or don't spill anything on your note. Don't fold your note. Before start to write, you must sharpen your pencil. Okay children, kindly follow all this instruction. Let's start the sixth one. 10 tens equal to dash 100. 10 tens make how many hundred? Yes, 10 tens make 100. So the answer is 1. 10 ones make how many 10? 10 ones make 110. Likewise, 10 tens also make 100. Each word you want to leave one finger space. Okay children, don't forget that one. Each word you want to leave one finger space. Then after finishing one question, you want to leave one line also. Okay. So after sixth one, you leave one line and start write the seventh one. The seventh question is dash means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. Arranging numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. Yes, smallest to greatest means ascending order. So ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. Each word you leave one finger space. Then after the seventh one, you leave one line and start write the eighth one. Dash means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. See the before question, smallest to greatest, that is called ascending order. In this they are asking greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest is called descending order. Descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. Then see the ninth one. Year has dash months. A year has how many months? Yes, a year has 12 months. The first month of the year is January and the last month of the year is December. Then see the last question. Dash is the last month of the year. Dash is the last month of the year. The answer is December. December is the last month of the year. 10 tens equal to 100. Seventh one, ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. Eighth one, descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. The ninth one, a year has 12 months. 10th one, December is the last month of the year. Children, take your own time and copy this one very neatly. After completing the filling the blanks, let's take the next page. Then write the second Roman letter. Complete the following. Complete one finger space, then one finger space, then write following. In the bracket you want to write greater than, less than or equal sign. We are going to complete this following using greater than, less than or equal. See the first question. 111, 98. In this we are going to compare these two numbers and you want to put whether greater than, less than or equal sign. What is the first rule in that comparison? First you want to count the number of digits. Yes, right? Shall we count? In 111, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Next, see the number 98. In there, how many digits are there? 1, 2. 2 digits are there. Which one is the greatest? 3 digits or 2 digit? Yes, 3 digit number is the greatest. So, the mouth should be open to the greatest number 111. So, 111 is greater than 98. Then leave one line and write the second one. 500, in that number 800. First rule is you want to count the number of digits. In this both the number having same number of digits. So let's apply the second rule. Second rule is what, children? We want to see the leftmost digit which is at the hundreds place. In 500, 5 is at the hundreds place, and in 800, 8 is at the hundreds place. So let's we compare 5 and 8. Which number is the greatest, 5 or 8? Yes, 8 is the greatest. So the mouth should be open to the greatest number 8. So here you put the less than sign. 500 is less than 800. Then write the third one. 360. There also 360. First rule is you want to count the number of digits. Here both the numbers having same number of digits. Then first we want to compare the hundreds place. Here hundreds place are also same. Let's move on to the tens place. Tens place also same. 6, 6. Then let's compare the ones place. In ones place also having same digit 0, 0. So both the numbers are same. So in that you want to put equal sign. 360 is equal to 360. Then write the fourth one. 250. Here 205. First count the number of digits. Both the number having same number of digits 3. Then let's compare the hundreds place. In 250, 2 is at the hundreds place, and in 205, 2 is at the hundreds place. So both are same. So we move on to the tens place. In 250, 5 is at the tens place. In 205, 0 is at the tens place. So which one is the greatest, 5 or 0? Yes, good. 5 is the greatest. So the mouth should be open to the greatest number 5. So 250 is greater than 205. Then see the last one. 101, 110. Let's count the number of digits. First rule is count the number of digits. Both the number having same number of digits. Next we want to compare the hundreds place. In this both the hundreds place are same. Then move on to the tens place. In 101, 0 is at the tens place, and in 110, 1 is at the tens place. Which one is the greatest, 0 or 1? Yes, 1 is the greatest. So the mouth should be open to the greatest number 1. So here less than symbol will come. So 101 is lesser than 110. Children, it's the time to do your homework. Let's take page number 73 in your book. In the last session, we have completed up to 72. Yes, right? Today, you are going to do page number 73. Okay? Fill in the missing numbers. In this, you are going to complete number from 201 to 300. Okay? I am going to explain the first row. 201, 201. The next number will 202, 202. The next number is after 202, next 203, 203. Next number 204, 204. Next 205, 205. Next 206, 206. The next number after 206 is 207, 207. 207. Then after 207, 208. 208. Next number is 209. 209. Then the last number is 210. 210. Likewise, you want to complete all the rows and complete up to 300. The next one is you want to complete from 301 to up to 400. Okay, children. 301 to 400. The same way you want to complete this also. Okay. First one I will explain you. First 301, 301. Then 302, 302. Then 303, 303. Then 304, 304. Then 305, 305. Then 306, 306. Then 307, 307. 308, 308. Next 309, 309. Next the last number is 310, 310. Likewise you want to fill other missing numbers also. Okay, children. Kind attention to all the parents. In this, I have attached how you want to upload your child's homework in our school app. Kindly make use of it. அன்பார்ந்த பெற்றோர்களின் கவனத்திற்கு, தங்களது குழந்தைகளின் வீட்டு பாடத்தினை தங்களது பள்ளியின் செயலில் எவ்வாறு பதிவேற்றம் செய்ய வேண்டும் என்பதை இத்துடன் இணைத்துள்ளேன். இதனை பின்பற்றி தங்களது குழந்தைகளின் வீட்டு பாடத்தினை பதிவேற்றம் செய்யும்படி கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி. And in this, I am going to demonstrate how you want to upload your What's homework in our school app. Just open our school app. In that, first you want to type your What's username. Then type the password. Both the username and password are same. Then after this, click login. Wait for few minutes. Then the dashboard should appear. In this, you can click uploads. Wait for few minutes. Now I am going to upload today's homework. So you want to select today's date. Today's date is June 26. So click this one and click load. In this, you want to drag your file here. Click here. At the time you want to take the homework photo means you can click camera. Otherwise you can selected image in your documents. Now I am going to upload this book exercise. So I am click this file. Then click done. Wait for few minutes. The file is uploading. Then in this additional information you can type Max homework. Then after this click the save button. Then this dialog box shows success. Then click OK. Then additionally you want to attach one more file means again you just click drag your files. Then click whatever the image you want to upload. Then click done. Wait for few minutes for uploading. Then after this 100%, you want to click the save button. Then It shows success. Then after this, click OK. Likewise, upload your What's homework. Kindly follow this parent. Thank you.
பெற்றோர்களே, தங்கள் குழந்தைகளின் வீட்டுப் பாடங்களை எவ்வாறு பதிவேற்றம் செய்யலாம் என்பதை இப்பதிவின் மூலம் பார்க்கலாம். முதலில் நமது பள்ளியின் செயலியை திறக்கவும். அவற்றில் யூசர் நேம், பின்னர் பாஸ்வேர்ட். மேலே குறிப்பிட்ட அதே எண்களை உள்ளிடவும். இரண்டும் சமமாக அழுத்திய பின்னர் லாகினை அழுத்தவும். சிறிது நேரத்திற்கு பின் உங்கள் பகுதியில் உள்ள அப்லோட் பகுதியை தேர்ந்தெடுக்கவும். சிறிது நேரம் காத்திருக்கவும். இவற்றில் தங்கள் குழந்தைகளுக்கான வீட்டுப்பாடத்தின் இன்றைய தேதியை தேர்ந்தெடுக்கவும். லோட் பட்டனை அழுத்தவும். சிறிது நேரத்திற்கு பின் ட்ராக் யுவர் ஃபைல் பட்டனை அழுத்தவும். அவற்றுள் தங்கள் குழந்தைகளுக்கான ஹோம்வொர்க்கை தேர்ந்தெடுக்கவும். சிறிது நேரம் பதிவேற்றம் செய்யும் வரை காத்திருக்கவும். பின்னர் அடிஷனல் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். இன்று எந்த வீட்டுப்பாடத்தின் பெயரை உள்ளிடவும். பின்னர் சேவ் பட்டனை அழுத்தவும். தங்களது குழந்தைகளுக்கான வீட்டுப்பாடம் பதிவேற்றம் செய்யப்பட்டது. தினந்தோறும் தங்கள் குழந்தைகளின் வீட்டுப்பாடங்களை மறவாமல் பதிவேற்றம் செய்யவும். நன்றி.